Mura tinaglapas sa gun ban sa probinsya kan Antique sa pag-umpisa kang election period. Amo diyan ang pakigbay ni Regional Assistant Comelec Supervisor Attorney Will Arsenio na nagasurvey man ng Antique Comelec Supervisor. Diyan sa katigayon ng online interview kung Benev sa Cable kay Enero 15, 2025, may 3 ka adlaw matapos mag-umpisa ang election period para sa May 2025 national kag local election.
View doctrine only, no? So taon lang, open ang window. Taon, siyempre, kung madakpan ka nga may makita visibly na armas, that's the time na pwede ka na nila arestuhon. Now,
gipakigbahin man ni Arsenio sa pagpatigan kang Comelec checkpoints ang mapwede gid lamang obrahan mga pulis amo ang mga masunod.
Nga ang checkpoint, Comelec checkpoint, as far as Comelec checkpoint is for the implementation of the gun ban only and for security of the elections. Ang traffic rules is not covered by our checkpoint. So hindi iya dapat pingitaan sing driver's license, hindi pingitaan sing vehicle registration ang aton nga mga motorista. If it is an ordinary police checkpoint, they can do anything at ila na iya. But if they're using a Comelec checkpoint na, hindi na pwede. Ang traffic rules, no? Pwede na-notice na mo, pati ang mga local traffic enforcer, gi-intrama niya sa among Comelec checkpoint. That is not, we're not going to allow that. Hindi na yan pwede. Kutsilyo or any bladed weapon is not part anymore of the it's not anymore election offense as far as gun ban and other deadly weapons. So ano lang, no? It could be may checkpoint kina every day, but maybe sa imong nga lugar hindi iya adlaw-adlaw, no? But some areas in Antique syempre, no, may ara na yang checkpoints. Paano pa man, no? I'm sure going to the leading into the moving forward sa elections ma-intensify ng number of checkpoints. But on election sang Sunday, which is the start of the election period, 2 o 3 ka checkpoints ang conduct kada banwa sa province of Antique. It so happens
Sunod pa kay Arsenio nga,
looking at another town, no, nga also we're evaluating ang situation sa isa pa gid ka town dira sa province of Antique. Kung from green, kung ma-elevate siya sa yellow because of intense because of political rivalry also. Pero hindi pa gid man intense eh. So kung mag-intense, i-elevate mo namon sa category yellow. So, security preparations, if you happen to notice, Tobias Fournier is under category yellow because of intense political rivalry. Now, that is a done deal already, no? And, we're going to give special attention sa Tobias Fournier as far as the intense political rivalry between the mayor and vice mayor running. Both of them are running for mayor. No?
gindugang pa ni Arsenio nga ginalantaw sa tulad kong Comelec ang posibilidad na ipaidalom sa Comelec areas of concern ang banwa kang lawaan tungod sa political rivalry.
Intense ang political rivalry. So, wala siya under evaluation patanan, included of course Tobias Fournier. Saturday we'll have the examination for the machine technicians naton, mga taga-Antique na sila tanan nakuhaon ta, no? We will be ma-select na ita through the examination, then we will train them. Sila ni maman sa mga troubleshooting as far as the automated counting machines naton. Ang road shows ng Comelec will end until January 30 of this month, no? So sige-sige na agato sila sa mga barangay, kada banwa may isa na machine. That's also an ongoing activity that Comelec is pushing. And by February will be the training of the Comelec officials, including the election officers. By March, that will be the training of the electoral board sa aton nga mga public school teachers who will be serving in the elections. And of course, ang aton nga mga technicians. And the board of canvassers, syempre, no? Part of the security preparations identify areas na very, very difficult as far as Antique is concerned, meaning very difficult katuan. Ang mga voting centers ba lang, ang katuan, etc. And then preparation stage, kung ang transmission, may kuryente bala dito, may ara bala dito signal sang cellphone o wala. Kung wala, magamit asing satellite siguro ng Starlink, no? Just in case, just to transmit the results. Fairly peaceful, basta green. Basta yellow, you have the reason intense political rivalry or kwan or may private armed group. Category orange is the combination of two of the grounds, no, sa category yellow. The red, medyo worse na kita nga scenario sang orange na. And from red, kung medyo maglala, no, the Provincial Joint Security Control Center of the province can recommend sa regional Joint Security Control Center, and then the region can recommend sa Manila committee to declare the area under Comelec control. Na, no, in-bank pa lang sila makadeclare, Comelec in-bank makadeclare under Comelec control, but of course, nobody likes a Comelec control of an area. Okay, kontrolado na even ang pagpagkuha sa kwarta.
Ang sulo sa election supervisor sa bahin ka nagakarabit ng election paraphernalia, hindi pa na masaway ang mga nagapakabit ka dya, tangan hindi pa campaign period.
Today, wala pa kami, hindi pa namon masaway. If you notice, ang ticket, daw may pesta dra, damo sing campaign materials, hindi namon na pwede masaway because the losses, kandidato lang na sila at the start of the campaign period. So whatever they posting right now, hindi pa man na sila kandidato, so hindi namon pwede masaway, no? By February 11, pwede na namon kuhaon ang iya sa mga party list, no? Mga gadalagan senators. And then by March 28, ang siya local ang sa gadalagan congressman. So in the meantime,
samtang pagkigbayng man ni Arsenio ang anda nakapaday nga preparasyon sa parabuton nga eleksyon.
Saturday we'll have the examination for the machine technicians naton, mga taga-antike na sila tanan nakuha ta, no? We will be ma-select na ita through the examination, then we will train them. Sila ni maman sa mga troubleshooting as far as the automated counting machines naton. Ang roadshow sa Comelec will end until January 30 of this month, no? So sige-sige na gato sila sa mga barangay, kada banwa may isa na daka machine. That's also a an ongoing activity that Comelec is pushing. And by February will be the training of the Comelec officials, including the election officers. By March, that will be the training of the electoral board sa aton nga mga public school teachers who will be serving in the elections. And of course, ang aton nga mga technicians. And the board of canvassers, syempre, no? Part of the security preparations identify areas na very, very difficult as far as Antique is concerned. Meaning, very difficult katuan. Ang mga voting centers ba lang, ang katuan, etc. And then preparation stage, kung ang transmission, may kuryente bala dito, may ara bala dito signal sang cellphone o wala. Kung wala, magamit tasing satellite siguro ng Starlink, no? Just in case, just to transmit the results.
May panindunggid si Arsenio sa mga provincial, city, municipal, kabarangay officials na hanangan sa pagsuspend kapag pahalin kagamuman sa kabugusan ng mga pumuluyo.
Comelec is slowly preparing for the elections until May 12, no? At the start of the campaign period last Sunday, nag-start naman ang banning on the suspension of elected officials. Meaning, hindi mo na pwede i-suspend ang isa ka provincial, city, municipal, and barangay official, no, except for graft and corrupt practices. Na, amo na lang nada ang suspension. And then, nagta-start naman ang banning on sa transfer of personnel from one department to another unless may clearance coming from the Commission on Elections. Now, just pangabay ko lang is for the taga-Antique na mag-operate. Let's help each other na maging secure and safe ang ating elections, na maging successful also.